Hey everyone, welcome to Been There. Are you planning a road trip soon? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing our top tips and tricks for the perfect road trip. So buckle up and get ready for the ride. Tip number 1, plan your route. Before you hit the road, it's important to plan your route. Take some time to research the best roads to take, interesting sights to see, and places to stop for food and gas. This will ensure you don't miss out on any amazing experiences along the way. Tip number 2, pack smart. When packing for your road trip, it's important to pack smart. Bring along essentials like water, snacks, a first aid kit, and a map. But also consider packing entertainment like books, games, or a portable DVD player for long drives. Tip number 3, stay safe. Safety should always be a top priority when on a road trip. Make sure your car is in good condition before you leave and bring along a spare tire and tools in case of emergencies. Don't forget to take breaks every few hours to stretch your legs and avoid fatigue. Tip number 4, enjoy the journey. Remember that a road trip is all about the journey, not just the destination. Take time to enjoy the scenery, stop for roadside attractions, and make memories with your travel companions. Embrace the unexpected and don't be afraid to deviate from your planned route. Tip number 5, be flexible. Sometimes things don't go as planned, and that's okay. Be flexible and adapt to changes in your itinerary. Take detours, extend your stay in a certain location, or cut your trip short if needed. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and create lasting memories. And that's a wrap on our top road trip tips. We hope these tips will help you plan the perfect road trip and create amazing memories. If you have any additional tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel content. Happy travels from the Been There team!